Are you tired of playing the same old blues licks? Do you want to take your guitar playing to the next level and captivate your audience with soulful, expressive solos? Look no further. In this article, we will unveil 5 powerful scales that will revolutionize your blues guitar playing. Prepare to embark on a musical journey filled with emotion, intensity, and creativity. The pentatonic scale. Unlocking the blues DNA. The pentatonic scale is the backbone of blues guitar playing. It is a 5-note scale that provides an essential foundation for creating memorable solos. Its simplicity allows you to effortlessly blend notes together while maintaining a strong sense of melody. Why should you learn it? By mastering the pentatonic scale, you will gain access to countless iconic blues riffs and licks used by legendary guitarists such as B.B. King and Stevie Ray Vaughan. How can you use it effectively? Experiment with different positions along the neck of your guitar to explore its full potential. Combine bending techniques, slides, and vibrato to add depth and expression to your solos. The blues scale. Adding that extra grit. Building upon the pentatonic scale, we introduce the blues scale, a 6-note variation that infuses added tension into your playing. This scale incorporates a blue note, which adds an edgy character synonymous with classic blues music. What's in it for you? By incorporating the blue note into your solos using this scale, you can evoke raw emotions like sadness or longing within seconds. It's like pouring gasoline on a fire. How do I make it mine? Experiment with different phrasing techniques such as bends combined with quick slides or hammer-ons, pull-offs between neighboring notes for maximum impact. The Mixolydian mode. Unlocking the door to jazz blues. If you're looking to expand your blues vocabulary and add a touch of sophistication, the Mixolydian mode is your go-to scale. This 7-note scale introduces a dominant 7th sound that is commonly found in jazz blues fusion. What's the rationale? By incorporating this mode into your playing, you will gain access to an entirely new palette of sounds and melodic possibilities. It allows you to effortlessly transition between traditional blues and more complex jazz-influenced phrasing. How can I integrate it? Experiment with using this scale over dominant chords in a blues progression. Notice how it adds tension and color while still maintaining a strong connection to the blues tradition. The Dorian mode. Adding depth and moodiness. The Dorian mode is another powerful tool for expanding your blues guitar playing. This minor scale variation adds depth, moodiness, and introspection to your solos, perfect for capturing those late-night jam sessions or expressing profound emotions through music. Why should I learn it? By incorporating the Dorian mode into your playing, you can create haunting melodies that resonate with listeners on a deeper level. It's like painting with shades of gray instead of just black and white. How do I make it my own? Experiment with bending notes within this scale, emphasizing certain intervals or adding slides for added expression. Combine it with other scales mentioned earlier for even more versatility in creating captivating solos. The chromatic scale. Unleashing your inner wild card. The chromatic scale might seem intimidating at first glance. After all, it includes all 12 notes within an octave. However, once tamed, it becomes one of the most potent tools in any guitarist's arsenal. What makes it special? The chromatic scale allows you to inject unexpected dissonance into your solos, creating tension that demands resolution. It opens up endless possibilities for unique phrases, unexpected twists, and turns that will keep your audience on the edge of their seats. How can I harness its power? Experiment with using chromatic passing notes between scale tones to add a touch of unpredictability. This technique is particularly effective when transitioning between chords or during intense moments in your solos. In conclusion, by incorporating these 5 powerful scales into your blues guitar playing, you will unlock a world of creativity and expression. Mastering these scales will allow you to captivate your audience with soulful solos filled with emotion and intensity. So grab your guitar, dive into each scale's unique characteristics, and let the magic unfold as you transform from an average player to a true blues virtuoso.